Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to the last episode of The Keep. This is a massive project, guys. It's a great way to spend your hobby time, and now we are close to 1 year since I started with this monumental, epic castle. I put all the stuff on some rotary station here, and I will show you first of all the beauty of this epic piece from all the angles, because I know that during all the videos was quite impossible to show you all the angulation. It's very difficult to have beautiful pictures with my phone, so it's better in this way. I want to show you all around, because in this episode we are finishing all the greenery, all the trees, all the moss, all the rampicants in this beautiful fortress, okay? And then we can say the word end to this massive, massive castle. Let's see what you have never seen before. So let's start rotating the castle. And now you will see for the first time the back of it. I love very much the road, the entrance with the gate on the end. It's very dark, it's very grim dark. I like it very much. And there are several details that I need to add, but this will be material for the next year, because I will add some cranes, all the stuff inside, and it will be a massive, massive piece at the end. I think it will be finished at the end of this year, or maybe the first days of the 2025. Let's continue the rotation. So what do you think? Look at this side. This will be the side of the pond with some waterfall, water effects, and it will be great also there. And finally, the side that you know very well. Now, I want to finish this ground all around here, because it's quite ready, so I will finish for say hand to this project. But for sure, I will change the base of all the project, because I want to put this piece inside a Mordheim table. This piece will be part of a massive Mordheim table. I will plan to change the base and to put all this stuff in a 1 meter square Mordheim table. I will put some wood structure here and there, and this will be an epic scenario for Mordheim, guys. My road to Mordheim will continue, and I will put this all together with the Swamp Village for having a massive, beautiful gaming table. But now, enough talking, let's crack on with the painting stuff. I want to finish all the rocks with some nuance and shades, and then finally the flocking. Crack on! This is high quality resin by Resin Pro. It's an Italian factory. I want to have a beautiful layer in the pond, and then with some residue I will create the wet effect also on the wall. I will put it from 20-25 centimeter with a very thin string, you see? Crystal clear. Welcome to my flocking arsenal. Every jar here is a piece of the puzzle, a collection of greens, yellows, browns and burnt tones, ready to bring life to any diorama. From vibrant meadow grass to the muted shades of dry, sun-scorched terrain, each color has a story to tell. But it's not just about color. Textures matter too. Coarse flock, fine powders, tufts, and tiny shrubs. These are the tools that turn a flat surface into a living, breathing world. Flocking is the secret to creating a diorama that truly wows. I don't use an electrostatic applicator, but my technique, it works wonders. Watch closely. Layering is everything. I combine shades, bright meadow greens, muted tones and burnt grass, blending them to create a natural, realistic look. Here's the trick. Tiny tufts and shrubs. Each one is carefully placed to add texture and depth. It's these little details that bring the scene to life. Every square inch becomes its own tiny masterpiece. Simple techniques, big impact. What a journey, guys! Finally, the keep is finished. Before have a look to the final results, I want to say thank you. Thank you to all my supporters. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. Thank you to you that are watching this video right now. This community is amazing, guys. It's very supportive. I like very much to be a crafter and to have such a beautiful people around here watching my videos and support me. If you want to support this channel, remember, Patreon is the best way to do so. Big news, guys! I'm making a series of all my crafting techniques. If you want to see how I create dungeons and buildings in details, guys, with all my secrets and my tips, subscribe on this channel or on Patreon. You can follow the links
in description below this video. I'm not a great teacher, I'm not a professional crafter, but I'm a passionate one, you know that. I will reveal all my secrets to you. This is the best moment to join me on Patreon. But now, without further ado, let's check the final results. I present you the keep.